Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your wireless headphones not working with your iPhone. You want to follow these steps, whether you can't connect to it, you're not hearing sound, any problem that you're having, this will go ahead and fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do if you're having this issue is pull down the control menu on your iPhone and put your iPhone on airplane mode. You can also pull up the control menu if you have a home button iPhone, and then just turn it off just like that. And you can also do it from your settings. Turn this airplane mode on and off. And after you have done that, go ahead and retry your connection and see if it's working. Now, if it's not working, the next thing to do is go into your Bluetooth setting on your iPhone, and you're going to want to go ahead and make sure you disconnect and forget that device. So here, for example, I have a phone that's connected with the headphone, and if you have one other device connected with it, you want to disconnect from that as well. So you're going to click on that eye icon right here, and then click on forget this device. So you can click on forget and it will remove it. And then once you do that, you're going to try to reconnect again on this device that you're trying to connect to. Or even over here, go ahead and turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on, and see if you can get the phone to recognize it, and then you'll go ahead and reconnect again basically. Now, once you have done that, the next thing to check out if you're still having issues connecting is ensuring that the device that you're connecting, whether it's a headphone like a Sony one or AirPods, you want to make sure they have charge. Sometimes they don't have charge, so you want to make sure it's charged correctly. And then once it's charged, you want to go ahead and restart both of the devices. So in that case, you're going to find a power button. For example, the iPhone, these headphones have a power button right here as an example on the side here. Some of them have it somewhere in the device. You have to look it up. But and then on your iPhone, you can restart it by following this method. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. This method is a forced restart, which is a little bit better than a normal restart, which will shut down the phone software and reloads the code. So if there's an issue with the headphone or the iPhone itself, it'll go ahead and fix it. And then, as I mentioned, make sure you also charge and turn off and on your wireless headphone that you're looking to connect to. So let's wait for this. And if this doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying. It's just going to be volume up and then volume down, and then you hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. This will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your phone. You do not have to worry about that. Now, once you have done that, the next test that you want to check out is that you're in close range with your wireless headphones. Sometimes if it's a little bit further away, it doesn't recognize it. So just bring it closer to it to make sure that isn't the issue. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is go into your setting on your iPhone. And this time you're going to go to General and then scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and you want to do the second reset option, which is resetting the network. And then you put your phone password here. And what that does is a reset of any Bluetooth connected devices you connected, any Wi-Fi that you connected, so you have to reconnect to those saved Wi-Fi again. But it's important to do to troubleshoot any connectivity issue or even sound issues you're having with your wireless headphones. So go ahead and do that. Now, once you have done that and it's still not working, the next thing to go ahead and check out is doing a software update on your iPhone by going to your settings, General, software update, and see if there's an update available. If there is, you want to go ahead and update it. Sometimes there's important bug fixes for issues like not being able to connect wirelessly with another device, so you want to update your phone as well. And then, of course, if none of these are working, another thing to also test out is make sure your headphones can actually connect with another device. Sometimes it could be the faulty headphones, maybe they have an issue or there's something going on, so you're going to troubleshoot and rule out that it's not the headphone. So if you can get another device, or maybe friends or family they can connect to just to make sure they're working on that device. If that is, then you know it's an issue with the phone, and you want to follow the troubleshooting steps again to fix it. And hopefully by following these troubleshooting steps, your wireless headphones are working with your iPhone now. And if you found a better way to fix this problem, do share it in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time.